Well, good day. This is going to be an example of a My Classes presentation. You're going to make a My Classes presentation. You should start out with some sort of a title slide. So this is my title slide, and I'm going to give it a click. There I had a transition. Now in first period, I pretended that I have math. And so on the math slide, I put some math pictures. Now I'll give it a click and see what happens. Hey, my teacher is Miss Sigurd, and it flew in from the left. You see I had animation on that one. I'm going to click it again. Ooh, more animation. Did you see what happened right there? It sort of zoomed in. Here we go. Watch. Yeah, look at that. That's pretty good. Now I'm going to see if I have a transition to go to period 2. Here I go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Click. Good. In period 2, I have a computer class, and I tried to put in some pictures of computer stuff that I've done. I have Mr. Lushenko, and then see if I have any animation on this slide. I'll give it a click. Ah, projects every day. So you should say some little thing about each class. It doesn't have to be big and long and all fancy. Just some little description of what happens in that class. Let's go to period 3. I'll give it a click. In period 3, I have Advocacy class, and here's my teacher, Mr. Lushenko. But I'm going to give it a click and see if I have any animation on this slide. I sure do. It says a little bit of everything, and then it says only on Thursday, because Advocacy is only on Thursday. Give it a click and see if we have a transition. There's my transition, and now I'm going to see if I have animation. So I give it a click and watch, 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 watch. Ah, best period of the day. See how that sort of flew in from the left? And I made it fly in really, really slow. Let's do the next one. A transition. Good. My next class is period 5, and I pretended like I have English, and so I tried to put in some pictures that have something to do with English. Now I'm going to click it and see if I have any animation. I give it a click. Well, it has reading and writing, and I have Miss Wong. Give it a click. We'll see what's going on for period 6. In period 6, I have PE, and I had a picture of something to do with PE. My teacher is Mr. Smith, and look at this. I've made a table. I made a table that has 1 column, and it has 7 rows. I don't know if you could make a table. Can you insert a table with just 1 column and 7 rows? Now, you don't have to copy mine. You don't have to copy mine. But someplace on your presentation, you should definitely have a table. Let's click it. Oh, see if I have animation on this slide. Let's click it. Let's see what happens. Ah, yeah, animation. Lots of running around in PE. That's my little explanation about PE. Okay, let's give it a click. Oh, homework. Let's give it a click, see if there's animation. Ready? 1, 2, 3, click. Oh, animation. Homework every night. Give it a click. Conclusion slide. Ooh, look at this. Ooh. Can you make that? I don't know if you can make that. Hey, oh, I put another table. You don't have to have 2 tables, but here's my second table. I made a table that has 2 columns, and it has 7 rows. So you have to have a conclusion slide. So this is my example of the My Classes presentation. Now you have to make one about your classes.